Hello everybody, I'm Roy Soa, the founder and CEO of Weku. Now, imagine you miss your electric bill because you can't afford it, and then you miss another one, and then all of a sudden, electricity turns off. But you say, don't worry, I'm going to get it all paid so I can get my electricity turned back on. But then that turns into a month without electricity, and then 3 months without electricity, and then a whole year without electricity.
And you're telling me before that you haven't got the water on, and there's an interesting...
No, we do not have any utilities on in the house right now. Partially because the bills are just ridiculously high.
That's what's happening to 1.2 billion people around the world right now. I believe an individual or a group can make an impact. But imagine everybody working together. Together, we will change the entire world. And the world is realizing more and more each day just how important energy independence is for the global economy. That's why nations and companies are spending trillions of dollars to transition into sustainable, resilient energy systems. However, as companies around the world start implementing aggressive environmental, social, and governance goals, ESG, companies have to figure out how to deploy their dollars and track the actual impact that will be made. Solar renewable energy credits are one way for companies to achieve ESG goals, but this $10 billion market is not nearly enough to meet the demand, and it's extremely fragmented because there is no standard for anybody to follow. ExxonMobil alone demanded more renewable energy credits last year than the total available supply to maintain their production and offset their environmental footprint. And what's even crazier is corporations around the globe will be forced to invest billions into sustainable infrastructure through someone. Well, that someone is us, Weku. Our virtual power pool is the first nationally standardized energy credit marketplace that allows companies to pay us for high quality, high impact renewable energy credits, and the only platform that puts solar panels directly onto homeowners' rooftops at no expense to them. This allows everyday homeowners to cut their electric bill in half, and all they have to do is opt into our platform with their cell phones. Weku is special because our founding team is a well-oiled machine of individuals with hearts to serve communities far and wide. Archie, Tom, and Brandon's collective experience running operational processes for investors, managing developers, and branding push us towards our goal, along with my experience managing $50 million of energy projects for Koch Industries. We are working to acquire a $750 million contract right now, which will distribute solar across 25,000 homes here in Tulsa. Joining us today means that you are dedicated to making the world a better place. Let's make an impact together. Thank you.